These marks were only here. Why? One rover can only see so much. So we looked from above. Then we checked everything else as just one clue in a vast geological, and the story got even bigger. One clue means very little, but many clues tell one story. Maybe we asked the wrong question. The real mystery is why they survived. If these marks survived this long, what else is still waiting? Then we found another clue, then another, and another. Then it hit us. These were not the story. They were the evidence. But then we noticed something. If Mars had so much water, where did it all go? It didn't disappear. It froze, hidden below, waiting to be found. That changed everything. Frozen water can become life and fuel. That's why the first base will follow the water, not the view. But Mars says no. The surface was never meant for us. Then we asked the better question: what's underneath? Then we understood. This wasn't just a cave, it was shelter. Then another thought changed everything. If this place protects us, what has it protected? That's why the next mission may search below Mars.